how to enable Safe Sign In info on Samsung Internet Browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable Safe Sign In info on Samsung Internet Browser. First, then open the browser and then click these three lines here in the bottom corner, and after you click on it, click Settings. Here you will find this one, personal browsing data. Click on it and then click usernames and passwords, and here you will find auto sign in, this one here, safe sign in info. If you want to enable it, all you need to do is just click on it, one click, and that's it. Now just go back. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.